So, hello everyone. Today we will be making a clicker game in Scratch. So, why am I making this clicker game in Scratch? Lately, I have done a card game in Scratch, and in that, we have used variables for doing that. And we use the variables, but still some mistakes went on. Some people didn't understand how to use those variables properly, or some people didn't understand what a variable still. So this video is especially for them, not only for them, it's for everyone. So we can know more about variables. How can we use variables? We are going to explore the blocks in variables. So the method from how we can explore the blocks is this clicker game. So the concept which happens right here is when we'll be getting a coin. When we click that coin, the variable increases. We'll be getting a variable right here and it will be increasing by 1. So it's kind of like a money game, or you can only say that you'll be getting $1 right here. When we click that, we get $1, $2 like that. So it's going to be very interesting. So right now we should make a sprite. If you want, you can choose a sprite, but I'm going to be painting sprite. So make it with yellow, make a circle and put it at the center. Okay, now I would be making a text in I guess whatever is there right now is good. Okay, sure, I'm gonna be putting a dollar symbol. Okay, this isn't good. We'll make a text color to black, which would make it good. The dollar sign, and we'll just convert this to the bitmap. Like this, or increase the size of it. Now just put it inside this coin right here. Okay, this is our sprite, and let's just go to the code. Go to the events, bring when flag click, go to the motions, and let's just first of all check that where should we keep our coin. So I will be keeping my coin somewhere right here. It looks good. So we will put the coordinates, the x and y value, which is going to be the x is 3 and the y is 13. So yeah, now go to the variables. We are going to make a variable for all sprites and say it as the coin, or normally you can say it as we'll say it only coin, the coins. So what is this for all sprites, and what is this for this sprite only? Okay, I'll just show you. I'm putting this at all sprites, and I'm making a new sprite, or I'll just choose a sprite. By choosing this sprite, I would even get the same variable of this coins to this sprite also. But if I am making a new variable for this sprite only and name this as coins 1 2 3 4, okay, and just enter it. Now it's like this. Now make a new sprite or choose a sprite. When you choose a sprite, you won't get it right here. You won't be able to get some edit access of the coins 1, 2, 3, 4. You will only get the edit access other coins 1, 2, 3, 4 from the sprite number 1, because we have enabled to the edit this variable in this sprite only. So that's why we use those. So for now I'm using for all variables, which is when the coin. And when you know I'll just go in. When you click on these coins, sorry, wait a second, you get three options. Normal readout, which is the general ones. The next is the large readout, this one, and the next is the slider. You can slide it, but for now I'm gonna put this in the large readout. Okay, and I'm gonna keep it right here at the corner. So by the way, you don't need to even put this coins thing right here. You can even put it as a test variable, or you can just name it whatever you want, because the variable's name won't be visible right here because we are only setting the score of it. That's why. And yeah, when the flag click, it will be right here, and I want this to be right here forever because we won't be touching that a lot. So then we'll just go to the events. When the sprite click, then we'll say this to yeah, go to the variables right now. You would get more options right here. One is make a variable, which we already made and we don't need more. And I guess you might even observe a tick mark right here. So when I click on this tick mark, we don't get the variable right here. This variable is there but won't be visible right here. So I want this to be visible, so I'm keeping the tick mark. Then you get more four options: set, change, show variable, hide variable. So right now when the flag is clicked, I want this to set the test variable to 0 right here. And the next is when the sprite click, I want this to change test by 1. So if you just click on the flag, click on this coin, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes infinity. Okay, this game is almost over and we just need to make the backdrop of this. So I'm going to choose a backdrop, the blue sky too. It looks good for me. So that one, and that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go and click the like and even the subscribe button below. And as you can see, this game runs totally functional. 23, 24, 25, 28, 31, 33, and it goes on like that. And if you even want this to just normally get read out like this, the normal readout, we get it like that. But over here I want this to get at the large readout, so that the the ones who is playing the game would get their eyes at this variable saying that which is 35, and when we again click the flag button, it becomes to 0, because we don't want the players to get cheated like that. We don't want the players to cheat the game. So when we click on the flag, the thing which we have done in the past would just get erased off. We'll totally get erased. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go and click the like and even subscribe button below. I'll see you all in the next video, and until then everyone, goodbye.